This is going to be an unpackaging video and I guess kind of a review. I desperately needed new lighting. I have a light like right here and a light like over here, both coming inside to side, so hopefully I'm not getting too much glare on my glasses. But the lighting that I have now isn't really good lighting at all. It's kind of ghetto, it's rigged, so I ordered some better lighting here, and this is going to be my unboxing. It is completely sealed up, big box. So let's kind of dive in it and see what we're working with here. Umbrella. Ooh la la, check that out. Boom. Are you supposed to not open umbrellas in the house? So we have two of them. Big umbrellas. Bag here. Got another canvas bag here to put them all in. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. I set this on the floor. I can kind of just put all these long boxes up here and open them with you. A lot of stuff in here, and I think I only paid like $52 for this. This is a bulb. That's a big bulb. Size of that bulb, huge. This is what I am looking for. Loosen this up, straighten that out, tighten it back up. Then it has this thing right here that loosens, and it's gonna just go. You can see what I'm doing here. Just go right here on the top of this. As you know, oof, it's really bright. Okay. And there it is. Okay, now this is the lighting before. You can see it's pretty dark. It's not that great. And this is the lighting after. Much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Let me give you a little shot of what I see here. All my boxes over there, don't pay attention to them. So I put my camera on this this priority box right there to kind of level it up some, and then it sits on this table. And I have a light down here on the floor, but I have it turned off. And then I have these two big lights right here. So you can kind of see my setup off to the side here. I sit there. I'll put a link down below to where you can get these lights at. I think they're like $52 or between $50 and $55 on Amazon. They're very cheap and they're very effective so far. I couldn't ask for better lighting in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, subscribe, let me know how you liked it, and peace.